Welcome to our new video. In this video there are new features of Vepaar that we are going to talk about, and also there is something special about Vepaar that I would love to show you guys. And let's just get started. So first thing, I click on my store here. I need to go to products. In this product area there is something we called variants, and in case you don't know how I change my price here, you can just change your pricing here to naira or rupees, so it's based on what you are presently using. So in case I don't show this in most of my videos, so this is me showing it again. Let me quickly just change it back to naira. So now that's safe. If you go back to my product here, you are going to notice that it's now in naira. So in case you don't know how to do that, so if your country is from other places, like, okay, let's imagine you are from Ghana, anywhere around the world, so you are going to see your own currency signs inside that part. So we are not here for that actually. So if you notice here, you notice my products are almost type of the same thing. They are kind of in the same format. They are just simple type of product. So I would love to show you how to create variant type of product. First thing you have to do is to add an attribute. The attribute is going to be about different features one or two of your products can have, something like the size. So let's come up with that first. So let's come up with size, and the size can be let's call this shoe size. So for shoe size, we can start adding options. We can call this M. Let's use cap lock M, which is medium. Okay guys, so I've had enough detail about each product, so you must make them according to what they are really good at. So you can use this to drag and drop them. So you hit the save button or click the save button, either way. So now let's go back to the attributes here, and let's add another thing based on the color. So you can just call that a product color. So it's going to be on the color here. So you can start adding colors such as red. So you can add multiple colors. So this is going to help you a lot to add different things and attributes to your product. So you just click on the save button here, and you can also add another attribute in case you want something like that. So that's how we had attribute. Now let's imagine we want to add a product that's going to have a variant. So now a variable rather, or variant is still almost the same thing. So the variant is like types of the same product. So now the simple product are products we've already added on the store on this channel initially. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll put a link in the description or up here at this upside of the video, so you can click the link and watch the video. So now let's add a variable. So the variable is not going to show much thing from the start. So let's call the product SCO. So SCO 2021 is okay. We can call it SCO. Then let's call the regular price 70,000 or 70,000, and the selling price should go for 45,000, like that. So you add a little description, tests variable, something simple as that. You can add additional link to the product in case you have more detail, like you have more detail of the product. You can just add it here, and if the product is out of stock, you can just click here. You know about this, right guys? So you click on the create. Now you have the chance to add image, badge, and the variant option. So now you notice that the variant is 0, only the variable is something. You are going to see the option of the variable here, so which we can add, but we are after the variant here. So now to add a variant, you can create a new variant of products. So now you can assign the available attributes. So now we can call this okay, now the shoe size should be, let's see. So to add new option of size, you can just click this plus button. But if you just add this is going to add all sizes, so all the shoe sizes. So we have in small, large, medium, or something. So now the color too, if we had here, so we have all colors available right away. So you hit the continue button. So now we have red and all. So now let's assign each different prices for each function. So now let's imagine you are selecting red color and it's going to be from small or large. So I want the price for that to be 95,000, while this is going to be in 170. I don't know, maybe you understand what I'm trying to say. So the regular price should be 170 for red and large, and I can change the color or select another new image for that specifically. So I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So in order to add images, let's select these images. Oh, I didn't save that. Let me do that again. Create variant, red s, then 170, then 95. So now let's add an image. Let's add image here. So the image, you can just get the product image. Since this is just an example, I'll just put in different or random images on my laptop so you can understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, let me select this, my thumbnail, then add more pictures, crop and upload. You can rescale it if you want. So let's add more image. So easy like that. Let's use this, crop and upload. So you can add multiple images that way. Then when you get to the variant, so let's edit our variant and add a specific image for this red. So we only want this red to have this S picture. So now imagine that is going to be your product, a specific color for that specific product, which is red. So you are going to upload the red type of the product here. This is just an example. I hope you understand. So you can also change the price, then click on the save. So anybody visiting your store selecting red color is going to have this new image, and the price is going to be different. So that's amazing. What do you think about that? And also the charges here, you can add a specific amount of charges. Now let's take a look. There is a button here that is going to take us directly to the shop to preview what we've just done. So the product we just added is also going to be there. So this is going to take us straight directly to our product list. And now let's see SEO. Under the SEO product, we added SEO 2021, which is this. The selling price is 45,000, as you can see. But if we change the product, let me show you, to red, which we add as our variant as red, and also you notice that the price is now 95,000 naira. Red and this size, did we use, let me check. I noticed, did we use small? I thought we use we use small. Okay, correct. Okay, we use small size here. So that's why anytime we set it to small and red, the price is going to change to 95,000 naira. So now let's add this into our cart, 95,000 naira, and this is our description, which is test variable as we input it initially. So add to cart is already in our cart now. So let's get to the cart part. So there is a new features that I really want to talk about for you guys. It's called gifting, product gifting. It's not here, but you can set it up here. Add-ons. So you can now add new features called, let me name this gifts. Then let's create it. It's optional. This is our gifts add-on. We can either add more, or we just have to add the option of what we want these gifts to be doing. So like for example, I want this gift to gift out products to a specific person, which is going to add additional 5,000 naira to the fee. So now this is added. So let's go here and save first before we go back here and reload our checkout to see what's really going on. As you can see now on the checkout page, you have the access to add new gift card which is going to add 5,000 naira to your balance, which is going to make it 100,000. Remember, it's 95,000 initially, right? So making it perfect that way. So you immediately input all the forms here, all the detail here. Immediately you add the detail here and you check out. The checkout is going to be 100,000 naira. So the gift card we create here, the gifting we create here is what was added to it, which you can also remove from it automatically. I believe you understand this part, which is going to make sense a lot. And that's all, guys. 102. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, because very soon I'll start talking about different things that you guys will surely love, such as a conversion rate increasement in our landing pages. So there is a video about landing pages that I've been cooking for so long, and it makes me deliver this video very late, but when the video is coming out, I will appreciate it if you guys enjoy the video as you normally enjoy my video. So thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you really love this video. Bye for now, guys.